British Virgin Islands, arriving passengers to cover cost of ground and sea transportation. Under the BVI's COVID-19 protocols, the Taxi and Livery Commission coordinates transfer transportation. Transportation is not covered in the travel authorization fee paid by each passenger. The $175 travel authorization fee charged on the portal covers RT/PCR tests and tracking device. Since the British Virgin Islands reopened for tourism on December 1, 2020, the government of the Virgin Islands has paid the cost of Gold Seal certified ground and marine transportation for all arrivals to their Gold Seal approved accommodations on day 0, as well as round-trip transfers between their accommodations and the designated testing sites on day 4. Under the BVI's COVID-19 protocols, the Taxi and Livery Commission coordinates this transportation, utilizing only Gold Seal certified vehicles and vessels. Transportation is not covered in the travel authorization fee paid by each passenger arriving in the territory, through the BVI Gateway portal for authorization to enter the territory. The $175 travel authorization fee charged on the portal covers 2 RT/PCR tests $70 each, fee for the tracking device $35. The Taxi and Livery Commission will continue to coordinate both ground and marine transportation in an effort to ensure health and safety standards are maintained. Ground transportation. All passengers arriving in the BVI are now required to pay the cost of their ground transportation during quarantine, from day 0 to day 4. Effective Thursday, 25th March, 2021. Ground transportation costs will be calculated based on the official taxi tariff. Passengers can expect to pay between $5 and $30 per person, depending on the destination and the number of passengers. Passengers are expected to pay their driver directly in cash. Marine transportation. All arriving passengers that depend on the established marine transportation from Tortola to other islands in the BVI will have to cover the costs of marine transportation from Saturday, 24th April, 2021. Commenting on the change in how transportation costs are covered, Director of Tourism Mr. Clive McCoy stated, "During the next 24 days, the BVI Tourist Board and Film Commission will carry out consultation with tourism stakeholders, the Taxi and Livery Commission and the government, to determine the best solution for covering the marine transportation costs after 23rd April. We want to urgently address marine transportation because the cost can be quite significant for persons traveling from Tortola to any of the other islands during this pandemic. Additionally, it should be noted that all protocols and procedures for transportation remain the same. The Taxi and Livery Commission will assign the approved ground and marine transportation, hence, travelers will not be allowed to make their own arrangements.